Pride family, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing the 24 hours in the car challenge. It's me and so we're going to be doing it. I have these two chairs right here, and Naya and Tia are going to be in the back. My parents took the chairs out of the back so that there's more room, so they're in there. And right now we are going to be putting something on the window so that people won't see us like this. Yeah, we're just gonna have things in the windows because it's gonna be pretty dark and it's gonna be actually pretty creepy if we don't have anything in the window. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And
it is like 7:40. What time is
it? It is.
Hold on. Let's look in here.
This is the wrong time.
It says the right time by the minutes.
It is 7:42. Yeah, it's 7:42. So that means we will be ending the video at 7:42 tomorrow morning. Yeah. So
Tomorrow night?
Tomorrow morning.
You have bad hearing. 7:42 to 7:42 p.m. is not 24 hours.
Oh no, because 7:42 in the morning will be 7:42 a.m. So it'll be 7:42 p.m. tomorrow night.
But what?
Okay, so right now it's 7:42. So p.m. So if we end it off at 7:42 tomorrow morning, that's 7:42 a.m.
Yeah.
So we have to do it at 7:42 p.m. because we start the video at 7:42 p.m. So you have to end the video at 7:42 p.m.
I think it's in the morning.
I don't know. Y'all comment down below if it's in the morning or if it's at night. We're gonna ask to make sure.
Yeah, we usually do like this.
Okay, we're just gonna ask to make sure. So before we start the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and comment down below different videos, pranks, and challenges you guys like to see. And yeah, so
Tell them what we have.
oh, so the things we have that we are going to be doing in here. I have a Nintendo.
We already ate cake and
yeah, we ate some cake because of this child's birthday, and we have some spaghetti. And then, yeah, so I have the Nintendo and a tablet. And then we're going to play Monopoly. And then Naya has her phone. And then TJ is going to be chilling. TJ doesn't have anything. Yeah, so we'll hit you guys up when we are finished with the windows. So, yeah.
guys, so we're covering the car right now. I have my good old water. The ice is melting.
Okay, hey, put this. Put right there.
I'm setting up Monopoly right now.
Right there.
But it's getting pretty dark so far. And it's really windy outside. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update.
Even though the 160 please.
So we are playing Monopoly, but everything keeps sliding down.
Because on the driveway.
Yeah, we're on the hill. Slanted. We're on the hill on the driveway. And it's like really dark. Like the dice will keep rolling down and everything. Like it's a mess. It wasn't even my roll. I was just.
I know.
Oh, okay.
It's mine. It's Tia's turn.
Yeah, 4.
It's
4. You came out of the
yeah, baby.
It is.
It's like 8 something. It is.
It's 8:23. Like.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buying it 120. I'm a big baller, so you know I got that money in my pocket.
Well, yeah. Already got her side fixed. It kept falling off.
Up here is really dark. Alright, let me get.
Yeah, it's like really dark.
I don't know where you guys are, but it's dark where we are.
It's pretty obvious.
This bathroom. Naya, it's not funny.
It kinda is.
Call mommy.
No.
Stop. It's bathroom. Can you give me a water bottle?
No.
Naya, it's gonna come out.
Might as well just get out.
I don't want to. I'm using this cup.
No. Stop. I have water in there.
Use this cup.
CJ, stop. That's nasty.
Stop, mommy, daddy. Stop, mommy.
Pee in the cup then.
Okay.
Pee in the cup. Not over here.
I'm gonna pour that door though.
You're gonna have to open the door.
Hold up. Okay, I'm on the you drink any more water?
Yes, I was. I'm pretty sure your penis already out. No, I don't want it anymore.
Wait. Is he peeing in the cup? Ew!
That's nasty! That is nasty.
Refreshing. TJ, that's trifling. I do whatever means necessary to win this challenge.
That is disgusting.
I know you didn't really give me a bottle.
We got a bottle. We just cleaned the car.
Open the door, please. Open the door. Yeah, I didn't know you have to come. Go. Get you. Go open the door.
TJ, if you don't put some pants on.
I'm on this door. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? What the fuck? What was that? If you don't go pour your pee out. Gosh, what's wrong with you? I'm not covering. It didn't even fall in the cover. What? Oh, it's TJ opening the door. Oh my gosh. Ew. I can't close it. Oh. There you go. Put that back on. Hold this.
Nasty. And we drink out of that cup too.
Okay, I'll clean it before I go then.
No, nobody's gonna drink out of that cup.
I'll throw it away.
It's beyond disgusting.
I told you to give me a cup. What you gonna do? That is
Okay, guys,
unacceptable.
10:03. I look like you're sleeping. It's 10:03 and
I took a little mini nap, like 9.
yeah, we had to stop playing Monopoly because stuff was falling down. But
Yeah, it was all slanted and everything. So we stopped playing Monopoly. I started playing the Nintendo, and then I fell asleep, and then Tita took it from me, and then he was sleeping for like 10 minutes, and then I was sleeping for a while.
we're really hungry actually.
Yeah, I want a bag of chips.
Yeah, but most likely we won't be able to get it.
A bag of chips or another piece of cake. Hopefully they didn't crush it.
No, everybody else had it.
Yeah, but we'll text. We'll hit you guys back up at probably.
I don't know. I'll just turn the camera on.
Yeah, I was gonna say at like 12, but I don't think anybody's gonna be up at like 12.
I'm gonna just turn it on.
Yeah.
Whatever time it is. And see
Yeah.
what happens.
Alright, yeah, we're back. We just woke up not so long ago. I took all the things off the windows because it was daytime. And by the time we're done with the challenge, we'll just be getting night. We called Lana in here to get us some cereal and our toothbrushes and stuff and some water. Right now, Nai's getting the Monopoly stuff together because everything failed. Ari's looking at her ugly face. And yeah, we'll get y'all later when we start brushing our teeth. Alright guys, we're about to brush our teeth now. Alright. Gonna brush our teeth. Where's the toothpaste?
And then we're gonna try to what's it called? Play Monopoly again.
I'll try.
Yeah, cause the hill last night when we were playing it, the dice would roll off the hill.
It's a hill now too, but like
If that makes sense.
get it.
What was that looking
Put it in water, huh?
Oh man.
Toothpaste.
It's on.
There you go. You're gonna
What are you doing?
then we're gonna brush. Ow. Yeah, kids, remember to brush 3 times a day.
3? Who?
3.
Who? I thought one at night.
I thought one was in the morning, one was in the afternoon, and one was at night. Or 2 times. Comment down below other 24-hour things or overnight things that we should do.
You can't open it.
I just spit all over the floor.
It's not locked.
Huh?
You can't open it. It's going to turn off. The door?
The siren?
It's not
Alright,
locked.
we'll get back to that when we're done. And on to the next thing.
Oh, there you go. Okay, guys, we found a spot. Don't worry about here. It's kind of looking rough, but it's fine. Wow, this camera quality is really good. Wow.
The 7 is better. Isn't it?
Mm-mm.
Is that what mommy said?
No, she said the XS is better. Yeah, she said the X. Because we went there and tried it. Like, it's like reality. What? You got me 50. Oh. I don't have a shirt on. Hey guys, so our mother, we texted, well, she came out here, she brought us some spaghetti. She loves this. But yeah, so TJ, he has hotels on it. That's mine, and that's Ari's, and her money down bad. I had to pay, me and Ari had to pay him $600 for landing on for Connecticut. So yeah. And then what's it called? I'm about to make a deal. Well, yeah, I want to make a deal, but not yet. You know, I'm gonna do it when all these are done. These are the properties left. Play tag. Play tag. Play tag. Okay. I had to go seek. Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa. Don't die. Freaking out. Okay. Yeah, it's a box from a cup. What are you doing? My plan was that if you went back there, I was gonna jump off this chair, and then you'll be back here, and I'll be up there. I wasn't even able to find TJ. He jumped up. Watch out for sugar. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I mean, you hear me?
Yes, I heard you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. It's always time. You was counting too fast. And then, TJ, I can always see your body moving. Underneath the mini cover. Here. Hold up. There's too much turning on and off, so just keep it this one. Is it on me? Mm-hmm. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. That was my head on the window. I wonder what this is.
This.
So look at this up here. See, they're gonna make it fall.
Y'all see how comfortable it looks back there? But it's really hot.
Oh, see.
It was really hot. Now it's just chilly.
Don't make it fall off. Ari! I said don't make it fall.
It makes a sound.
Yeah, I feel like
Got your next. Give me that 2 times. Give me that 2 times. We're gonna make a music video in the car.
are you gonna take
Hold on. All y'all were free out of the car. We didn't vlog us. We didn't record us leaving the car because we were so tired and stuff.
I honestly forgot.
Yeah. And
It's
the
slipped my
7,
mind.
we got out of the car at 7:10, 7:11, one of those. And yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Other overnight challenges we should do. Or
Hold on.